to Lookup Studio Formula 21 video series by AnalyticsLiv. This is video number 20. Today we will learn about a formula where we have the code and how can we extract the country name out of these codes. So we have typically two types here, where we have only the country codes here, and here we have country along with the region code. So let us go to edit and let us create a calculated field here in the dimension. Let us give it a name, custom country, and let us apply the formula here. So for this you will use two country formula here. So for first one, use just the country code, that is the field name, and let us click on apply. So now you can see only the country names here. And let us also quickly check for the country region code as well. So for this you just need to add one more parameter here and change the field name accordingly. Country region code, and here you need to use the single delimiter and write region ISO code and click on apply. So now you can see the country names are displayed here based on the codes. So similarly, you can also try this out in your data set as well, and let us know in the comment section. And if you have any other suggestion for the formulas, for that also you can put that in the comment section. Thank you.